Does Mars have ice at its poles? Yes. Its south pole is mostly dry ice, which is frozen carbon dioxide gas. At the north pole, there are many frozen water, mixed with the frozen carbon dioxide. There may be frozen water underground on Mars too. Which is the red planet? Mars was named after the Roman god of war because of its blood red color. The planet looks rusty red because its surface is covered with iron-rich soil and rock. There are no seas on Mars and it is very cold. Is it true? There is life on Mars. No, or at least there is no sure sign of any. But long ago, Mars had flowing rivers of water, so there could have been life once, but there may be fossils buried underground. Do you know about Mars moons? Mars' two tiny moons, Deimos and Phobos, are not round like our moon. They look more like baked potatoes. They might have been asteroids that Mars captured with its gravity. Do Mars have volcanoes? There is a record-breaking volcano on Mars. Olympus Mons is about 600 kilometers across and towers over 25 kilometers high. It is the solar system's biggest volcano. Long ago, it spurted out runny rivers of black lava. Which is the biggest planet? Jupiter is so big that all the other planets in the solar system could fit inside it. If it was any bigger, it might become too hot in the middle, start to glow, and turn into another sun. Is it true? Jupiter's stripy? Yes, the planet looks like it's wearing a giant pair of pajamas because of its bands of cloud. They are made of frozen crystals of water, ammonia, and other chemicals. What is Jupiter made of? Jupiter is one of the planets known as the gas giants. About 90% of it's made of gases called hydrogen and helium. At the center of Jupiter is a small rocky core about as big as the Earth. What is the size of the red spot in the Jupiter? You could fit two Earths inside the Great Red Spot, which is about 40,000 kilometers across. Where is the storm that never stops? Violent winds whip up storms all over the planet Jupiter, but the Great Red Spot is the largest. It has been raging away for over 300 years. Which world has most volcanoes? Jupiter's closest moon, Io, is orange and yellow. Because of the sulfur from all its active volcanoes, if you could survive the intense heat, you would realize that Io smells of rotten eggs. Which moon is bigger than a planet? Jupiter's moon Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. At 5,276 kilometers across, it is bigger than Mercury. Another of Jupiter's moons, Callisto, is a similar size to Mercury. Which moon might have life? Jupiter's moon, Europa, is covered by a thick crust of ice. The ice looks smooth, like frozen water. But it also has a lot of cracks. Scientists think there is a liquid ocean beneath the ice, and where there is water, there might be life. Is it true? Jupiter only has 4 moons. No. Galileo discovered the 4 biggest, Callisto, Ganymede, Europa and Io, in 1610. Since then, astronomers have discovered 13 smaller moons as well, making a total of 17. Do you know the size of Saturn? It is the solar system's second largest planet after Jupiter. Its rings are 270,000 kilometers across, about twice the width of the planet. Are Saturn's rings solid? No. They look solid, but they are made up of millions of chunks of ice and rocks. The smallest chunk are about the size of a golf ball, while the biggest are about a kilometer wide.